Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video will be a little bit different. So I know that we're all stuck in the house and we don't know for how long, maybe for another 30 days, maybe for another 60 days, maybe for another 90 days, and maybe for another 120 days. I don't know. But what I do know is that I have been in the house doing things that keep me sane and doing things that will make me come out of this as a better person. So I told myself that I'm coming out of this better physically, mentally, financially. My skin is going to be clearer and my hair is going to be longer. Okay, so I'm coming with you guys today with this video to share tips and things that you need to know to take care of your natural hair during this time period. Whether you're a beginner, like you've never washed your hair yourself before, whether you're, intermediate, like you know how to do a little tutu, but you don't know how to do a little too much, and whether you're advanced and you got this down pack, you know how to do a twist out, you know how to do a wash and go. I'm just here to give you guys some general tips that anyone can follow to take care of their natural hair during this time period. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 5K and I want all of y'all to join me, especially if you guys find this video helpful and if you guys are planning to take care of your natural hair. Subscribe to my channel because I do share a lot of natural hair content on my channel. If you guys enjoy this video and this video helps you out, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up so that I know, and drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, comments, questions that you probably still have after you watch this video, and anything else, just drop it down below. I'm always responding to comments. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the way that we will structure this video is the first part of the video will be intangible / mental thoughts and things that you need to know about taking care of your natural hair, and then I'll go into like the tangible, what you need, what you should have, things that you can use to take care of your natural hair. So the first thing that I want to mention, which I think is very important, is that nobody's natural hair journey is the same. Like, you may be looking at people whose hair is down to their waistline, like, I want my hair to look like that, and it doesn't happen overnight, sis, unless you go purchase some bundles. Okay, so nobody's journey is the same, and I just think that's very important to know. Also, you have to be patient. Like, you have to give your hair the TLC that it needs and allow it to accept it, allow it to penetrate, allow it to do what it has to do. Like, you just have to be patient with your natural hair, which I know is easier said than done, but that is something that I have learned over the course of taking care of my natural hair. So you have to be patient. Patience is key. Also, you have to know that these same things will not work for everyone. So you might look at your favorite natural hair influencer or blogger or YouTuber and you may say like, oh, I want my hair to look like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy those products and expect my hair to look like hers. It's not gonna happen. Like, you might think, okay, I had type 4A hair, so does she, so it's gonna look the same. There are so many other factors that determine how you should be taking care of your hair. So just because y'all have the same hair type, which to me honestly doesn't really mean anything when it comes to the results from products, that doesn't mean that you're gonna get the same results. And I'm just here to keep it honest with you guys. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything, because I feel like that's one problem that I have with a lot of things that I watched when I was getting into taking care of my natural hair. They wasn't telling me the truth, sis. And I was out here thinking that I was gonna be curly hair Sue, and my hair did not curl. So I'm just here to keep it honest with y'all. So nobody's hair journey is the same. You have to be patient, and don't think because you have the same hair type as someone that your hair is going to look the same. So I think those are all of the intangible mental tips that I had to share with you all. Now we're going to move into what you need to have, what you need to do, how you need to use it. So first of all, I want to say that I have a lot of videos of natural hair care on my channel. So if you guys have any specific questions, I'll have most of my videos linked down below. All of my product favorites, like beginner videos such as how to do a hair mask, how to deep condition it. I have all of those videos down below so you guys can easily reference them. But I want to walk through like how you should structure your routine and what you should use. So first of all, couple of things you're going to need. So I have type 4 hair. My hair is, I don't know what my hair type is. It's like 4B, 4C. I have low porosity hair, and that's how I categorize my hair. This is my hair. This is a perm rod set. I'll have this video linked above and down below as well. But what you need? What do you need? Sis, what do I need? I see all of these products online. Do I need all of them? No, you don't. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the order of what I do in my wash day / hair routine. So the first thing before we even get started is you need to have a hair routine. You can't just do stuff to your hair and expect the results to, you know, come. You have to train your hair. You have to see what your hair likes, what your hair doesn't like. And you just have to learn your hair. Once you learn your hair, you want to start structuring your routine. So I'm going to walk you guys through what my routine is, but you guys might not need some of these steps. You guys can go ahead and skip some of these steps. Like, do what you know your hair likes. I'm not telling you guys to do X, Y, and Z. I'm telling you guys this is what I do, and these are some things you can consider when you're building your hair routine. So the first thing that I do when I get in the shower to wash my hair is I rinse my hair, and I want to make sure it's detangled. So 2 options of things that I use to detangle my hair is first a wide tooth comb. So I got this wide tooth comb from Sally's, and I love it because it has this hook on it, so it can go ahead and easily hook anywhere in my shower, and bada boom. Second option that I use to detangle my hair is my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I really like this brush because it flexes to the direction your hair is going in. So in turn, it basically leads to less breakage in your hair. So these are the 2 tools that I would use to detangle my hair when I first get into the shower to wash my hair. So after I detangle my hair, I will either cleanse or co-wash my hair. So I do have a video coming soon. I'm not sure if it will be up before or after this video, but it basically goes through the difference of shampooing, cleansing your hair versus co-washing your hair. So that video will give you guys way more information about what's the difference, which one should I try on my hair, which one should I use on my hair, what cleanser, shampoo should I be using, what co-washes should I be using. All of that will be answered in that video. But what I want to say now is that you should try, you know, cleansing your hair weekly, bi-weekly, or co-washing your hair and just seeing what your hair likes better, because I know some people who co-wash maybe once a week and they'll only cleanse or shampoo once a month. So it just depends on what your hair likes. But that video will be coming soon. And I did do a video on my favorite products in September. So all of those will be linked down below. My favorite cleansers and shampoos, deep conditioners, X, Y, and Z. I'll also be having an updated version of those videos coming in a couple of weeks. So you guys can look forward to that too. So for everyone who loves to ask, what's your favorite shampoo? What's your favorite deep conditioner? All of those questions will be answered in that week of favorites. So the next step you should do is either cleanse your hair, like shampoo your hair, or co-wash your hair. So you want to make sure you do not skip that step, because that step is essential to make sure you are refreshing your hair. You're removing the product buildup from the last couple of days, the last week. You also want to make sure you do it regularly. I know a lot of people say, like, you know, you don't need to cleanse your hair, you don't need to shampoo your hair. But sis, yes you do. I'm here to tell y'all that everybody needs to be washing their hair. Like, don't skip washing your hair and just condition and deep condition and co-wash and co-wash and co-wash. You need to cleanse or shampoo your hair at least once a month. Like, please, give me that. Like, at least do it once a month. Once a month. Thank you. So the next step is to either condition or deep condition. To me, the two are kind of the same. Most of the conditioners I'll use them as deep conditioners sometimes. So it just depends on what the product is, what ingredients the product has. I'll go by that. But when I deep condition, I leave it in for about an hour most of the time if I'm running around the house doing stuff, or 20 minutes sometimes if it has protein in it. If a product has protein in it, a deep conditioner has protein in it, you never want to keep it in your hair too long, because if you keep it in too long, it'll have adverse effects and in turn end up damaging, breaking your hair off, etc, etc. So if a product has protein in it, you don't want to keep it in your hair for too long, sis. Listen to me, okay? Also, what I used to do, which I learned my hair did not like, is I used to sleep with my deep conditioner in overnight, and I felt like my hair texture started changing. I feel like my hair was like more stringy. And my hair just didn't like that, so I'll keep my deep conditioner in for an hour max, and then I'll go ahead and rinse it out. We supposed to be in the house and people friggin' playing race cars outside. Like, this is why we're gonna be inside until 2022. Like, I'm telling y'all. Anyway, yeah, so I would say leave your deep conditioner in for at least an hour and then go ahead and rinse it out. I lose track of time easily. Like, I'll put it in and I'll be like, oh crap, it's 3 hours later. So one thing I started to do is to put a timer on my phone. So in an hour, my phone will go off and I will force myself to make it my business to go in the shower and rinse out that deep conditioner. So that is my next step. Next, I'll go in with leave-in. I apply my leave-in in the shower. As I mentioned, I have low porosity hair, and I have found that applying my leave-in in the shower, my hair like takes it in more. My hair is more moisturized down the line. My hair is softer down the line. So I would recommend to try out applying your leave-in while you're in the shower and then coming out and doing your styling. Only styling that I do when I'm in the shower is a wash and go, because I find that I make less of a mess when I'm in the shower doing my wash and go versus sitting here getting wet stuff all over. So I would recommend to do wash and goes while you're still in the shower. That way you don't have to worry about, you know, like water dripping, water slipping. Just do your wash and goes in the shower. And I feel like I get better wash and goes when I do them in the shower as well. If I'm doing a twist out, a braid out, a perm rod set, I'll come out of the shower. I'll sit in my little hair station right here and I'll do what I do. As far as styling, a lot of people ask and say, you know, twist outs don't work on my hair, wash and goes don't work on my hair, perm rod sets don't work on my hair. And honestly, I used to be the same way too, but I feel like they work. You just have to learn how to do each of them on your hair, as far as what products you use, what techniques you use. For example, this is a perm rod set. It's not my best, well, it is my best perm rod set so far, but it's not the best perm rod set. But I learned, if you guys watch that video, that there's a special way that my hair should be before I do my perm rod sets. So that's just something that I learned recently. I share natural hair care tips on YouTube, but I'm not an expert at all. I'm not a professional at all. I'm just here to show you guys what I do and what I use and what I think about it, okay? So styling, you can either do twist outs, you can do braid outs, you can do wash and goes, you can do perm rod sets, you can do afros, which I absolutely love. But I have videos on most of those styles down below, so go ahead and check those videos out. If you guys want to do a style, you guys don't see me with any videos of it on my channel, comment down below and I will definitely go ahead and provide that to you all, because I am looking to try new styles on my hair. Also, if you do have natural hair and you don't want to do like a natural hairstyle, you can do protective styling. So I'm always here for a wig, I'm always here for some braids, I'm here for faux locks now, because y'all know I had those in and I did not want to take them out. But if you are, you know, taking care of your natural hair and then at this point you want to go ahead and put in a protective style, go ahead and do that. If you want a lace front, a closure, a wig, a sew-in, whatever you want, go ahead and get that done. But just make sure that you're taking care of your natural hair underneath. And I feel like now is the perfect time, since we can try things and we don't have to be outside and people don't have to see us looking stupid. Go ahead and try that wash and go you never tried before. That twist out, that perm rod set, go ahead and try it out. Nobody gonna see you. You can look stupid and it can be okay. You know, you don't have anywhere to go besides Target and the supermarket. Like, just try it out. So those are basically my tips when it comes to taking care of your natural hair as we are in the house. Y'all want to make sure that y'all coming out of this quarantine as a better person, mentally, financially, physically. Like, we need to be looking good, okay? The girls need to come out of quarantine serving looks, and I hope that you guys are taking care of yourselves and you guys are staying safe, so that once this is over we can be outside turning up and doing what we want to do, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys learned anything from this video. Let me know if you guys have any outstanding questions and I can go ahead and possibly do like a part 2 to this video. So just let me know down below, and I'm always here to take y'all feedback and y'all criticism. So go ahead and drop it down below. And before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 5K and I want you, yes, you sis, to join. So make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and until my next video, which will be tomorrow, because y'all know I'm posting every day during this period. I'm posting every day. Y'all getting a new video every day. So that's that on that period. So until my next video, I'll see you guys later.